Hello, I'm Ray, and this is Hand Lettering Essentials. I learned some sign painting techniques from my dad. Dad used to say, draw your letters carefully. Really take your time on laying them out. Take a look around next time you're out and about. Check out some of the signs around your local area. This is from the studio tour we took recently, and a couple that I did out at the ranch. So in this class, we'll go over some basic letter structure in the Roman alphabet or the Latin alphabet. Then we'll cover some cursive writing because we need to get an A in our cursive handwriting, and it's a great style for some hand lettered sign work. After that, we'll look at some bubble letter shapes that I like to use on t-shirts and cartoon art. The class project, making a sign for your shop. We'll go over a quick lesson on how to design a logo before lunch. Sometimes you got to come up with an idea really quickly, and here's a few techniques that helped me along the way. So let's look at some materials and get started with hand lettering essentials. I forgot to add that we're going to do a little chalkboard art and some dry erase art. You know, like for your lunch menu or your coffee shop menu. What's the special today? What's the coffee of the day? Let's go find out here on Hand Lettering Essentials.